Hello learners, welcome to Komal classes, and here myself represent about the practice question based on the previous GATE and NET GRF papers of the paper 2 and the computer science. So that is belongs to a IPv4 address basically. So now we solve the queries on the basis of the IPv4 addressing and the classless addressing. So let's getting start. So now according to the question, first it is defined that in the network there are IP address has to be given, that is 200.10.11.144/27. The fourth octet of last IP address is given to you to the network, and the question basically asked which can be assigned to the host is. So we have to find out the host address. So as we know, if we find out the network address, and so we have to first find out the last address, because according to the question there is no asking about the first address, say they must asking about the last IP address. So let's get started. According to solution, so I will transform the image. Okay, so basically we have to find out the host address. So according to the host address, so first we have to use the last address of the bit. So that is for fourth octet of the network address is 144. So we have to convert the 144 into the binary form. Okay, so we have converted into this in a binary manner. So now we have to last fourth octet network is 114. So 114 we have to convert it to a binary. The binary says that 114. So basically highest number of network is a 127. So 2 to the power 7. There are 8 bit in the octet. So to the power 7, that is 1, and remaining bits are the 16. So we have to one output on the places of to the power of 4. So plus 1, that is 128, plus 16, that is 144. Okay, so then we find out the, according to the question we have to find out the first third bit of the first octet are fixed, so the remaining of the bits can maximum values, that is we have to put first 27 bits to be unchanged, and last for the last address we have to put on the values of 111. So here we keep no changes in a 100, because it is has to be a last address in a numerical, so we have to put rest of bit as to be a 1. So that is 1111. So like last 5 digits are remaining to be put as the 1. So calculate the address. So calculate the address, that is 128 plus there is 1, that is 16, then 1 again, that is 8, then 1 again 4, plus 2 plus 1. So add all these numbers, so we can get the value, that is 159. Okay, so now the host address, how to calculate the host address. So basically the host address, the address with all is in the host part is broadcast address. So now we cannot be assigned to the host. So maximum possible local octet value is the IP address. We have to remaining that we have to put on the 0 in the place of least significant bit of the last address, that is 1. So we have to put on the 0 of there. So we have calculated, that is the host address, which will be 158. So correct answer is the 158. This question can be asked from the GATE 2012 and continuously asked from the GATE 2015 and NET JRF 2014 paper 2 also. So it is important and basic. So we talk about more question on the next lecture. So till then, bye bye. Subscribe my channel, like my channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. Okay, have a great day ahead. Nice work. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much.